Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel. How are you all friends? I hope my all friends are good. God bless you and always be happy. Dear friends, in this video I am providing gorgeous and trendy crochet animal ideas. So don't skip the video, watch the video start to end. These animals' designs are so stunning and unique. I hope you all love these ideas. So friends, share the video with your friends and family who want crochet ideas. I really hope that they will love these ideas. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different colors. In this video, you will see different colors and different decent and unique designs. You can design your animals with using these ideas. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass crochet animals collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new design and new ideas related to crochet animals. These articles are very attractive for kids. Kids likes to play with them. You know friends, crochet things represent our culture beauty. These articles used for home decoration. If you will love this article and if you want more crochet designs ideas, so like my video and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Be connected with me and remember me in your prayers friends. See you soon in next beautiful video. Allah Hafiz.